everyone, today I'm super excited to share with you the EMEET S800-4K webcam, a cutting-edge solution for all your video streaming, conferencing, and content creation needs. Whether you're a professional attending meetings, a streamer looking to wow your audience, or simply someone who loves crystal clear video calls, this webcam is designed to elevate your experience to the next level. Let's start with what makes this webcam truly outstanding. First, 4K ultra high definition resolution. The EMEET S800 provides stunning image quality, capturing every detail with vibrant colors and sharp contrast. Plus, the high dynamic range, or HDR, ensures perfect lighting balance even in tricky conditions. Whether you're in a bright room or low light setting, this webcam automatically adjusts to make you look your best. Next, it's equipped with a Sony CMOS sensor for professional level performance. With a large half-inch capture size and an f1.8 aperture, the webcam captures more light and delivers unmatched clarity. This is particularly great for creators and professionals who need their visuals to stand out. And let's not forget about its dual autofocus system. Using face detection autofocus and time-of-flight technology, the S800 ensures your image stays razor sharp even when you move. This means no more blurry frames during presentations or live streaming. It's fast, sensitive, and incredibly stable. The EMEET S800 also has a 96-degree wide-angle lens, perfect for group meetings or capturing more of your background while maintaining high-quality framing. But don't worry, you'll never feel too far away thanks to its intelligent framing capabilities. What truly sets the EMEET S800 apart are its advanced features designed to make your life easier. For starters, it comes with intelligent noise reduction microphones that use AI to filter out background noise. Whether you're working from a noisy coffee shop or hosting a meeting at home, your voice will always come through loud and clear. Another standout feature is its plug-and-play design. No need to install extra drivers or deal with complicated setups. Just plug it into your computer via USB and you're ready to go. This makes it perfect for busy professionals who need a reliable, hassle-free setup. And here's a game changer. The EMEET S800 offers a versatile mounting options. Whether you prefer it on your monitor, on a tripod, or directly on your desk, this webcam is built for flexibility so you can always find the perfect angle. Whether you're a content creator, remote worker, or just someone who values high-quality communication, the EMEET S800 is tailored for you. It's perfect for streaming on platforms like YouTube or Twitch, attending virtual meetings with clients or colleagues, or recording professional videos for social media. Plus, its compatibility with popular video conferencing software like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet ensures a seamless experience across all platforms. If you're looking for a webcam that delivers professional quality video, incredible autofocus, and a host of advanced features, the EMEET S800 4K webcam is exactly what you need. Don't settle for blurry, low-quality video. Upgrade to a webcam that does it all. Click the link below to learn more and order yours today. Trust me, once you try the EMEET S800, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it.